I'm currently getting suited up while the water is boiling, and I'm going to let you guys know that I am not a professional, but do not attempt this at home without adult supervision. Right? Chrissy's nodding her head, therefore it must be true. Negative 46 degrees outside right now with wind chill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sister's hot pot that boils water. I'm going to boil some water in it. We're going to put it in a bowl or a cup or something, and we're going to go outside and throw it and see what happens. We have a cup of regular water, so this is cold water that I just got out of the tap. And then we got boiling water, which is in here.
Oh, it steamed up the lid. Hold on.
Okay. Oh, it's steaming up the cup too. We're going to put that in this cup, and we're going to go do science. So let's go. Let's go do science. We're going to do the boiling cup of water first. For science. It's negative 46 degrees outside right now.
That's wind chill.
That's what's wind chill.
Oh, balls! It's cold. Oh!
That was cool.
It's like dry ice.
That was awesome. All right.
Now we're going with
Now I got the cold water. The coldish tap water. My nose was like freezing shut.
Huh?
Oh, that didn't work as well.
What the? How does that even
I
happen?
don't know. It froze as soon as it hit the ground. So that's what happened there. But no, so let's take this from a science point of view. The hot water, as soon as it hit the cold air, it steams. So the steam froze. So then you took the regular cold water, did nothing.
Until it hit the ground.
Until it hit the ground. So there you go. Science.